Hey everyone, and welcome to my channel. Today, we're going to be talking about a topic that's been on a lot of people's minds lately, Robinhood Bank and whether or not it's FDIC insured. Now, before we dive into the details, let's take a step back and talk about why this is even important. You see, when you put your money in a bank, you want to feel confident that it's safe and secure. That's where FDIC insurance comes in. The FDIC, or the Federal Deposit Insurance Corporation, is an independent U.S. government agency that protects the money of depositors and banks and savings associations. If a bank fails, the FDIC steps in and ensures that depositors get their money back, up to a certain limit. So, the question is Robinhood Bank FDIC insured? Well, the answer is a bit complicated. Robinhood doesn't have a traditional bank charter, so it's not directly insured by the FDIC. However, Robinhood Securities, the brokerage arm of Robinhood, is a member of SIPC, which is the Securities Investor Protection Corporation. SIPC provides similar protection to FDIC insurance, but for securities accounts, not cash deposits. So, what does this mean for you as a Robinhood customer? Well, it means that your securities investments are protected up to $250,000 by SIPC. However, your cash deposits are not FDIC insured. Now, this doesn't necessarily mean that your cash is at risk. Robinhood holds customer funds in segregated accounts, which means that your money is separate from the company's own assets. However, if Robinhood were to go bankrupt, your cash deposits could be used to pay off creditors, which could leave you without your money. So, what can you do to protect your money? Well, there are a few things you can keep in mind. Don't keep too much money in your Robinhood account. If you have a large amount of cash, it's probably a good idea to spread it out among different accounts, including FDIC-insured bank accounts. Monitor Robinhood's financial health. Keep an eye on the company's financial statements and news reports to get a sense of how stable the company is. Consider using a different bank for your cash deposits. If you're concerned about the risk of losing your money, you may want to consider using a traditional bank that is FDIC insured. Ultimately, the decision of whether or not to use Robinhood is up to you. It's important to weigh the risks and benefits carefully before making a decision. I hope this video has been helpful. If you have any questions, please feel free to leave a comment below. And be sure to subscribe to my channel for more videos on personal finance and investing. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.